Glocalization. Glocalization was first popularized in the English speaking world by the British sociologist Roland Robertson in the 1990s and later developed by Sigmund Bauman. The term glocal and the process noun glocalization are formed by blending the words global and local. Globalization is itself always local, and while globalization operates according to flows, the agency of the local ensures that the flow is very often reciprocal. The concept is important to postcolonial studies because it can be understood in terms of the transcultural relationships pertaining between colony and imperial center in imperialism. As with classical imperialism, the impact of colonial incursion was not simply one way, oppressive and hierarchical, but reciprocal, transcultural, and eventually transformative. This is perhaps most clearly demonstrated in the ability of postcolonial literatures to appropriate the language, forms, and genres of English literature and transform the discipline. Both literary writing and its transcultural scenario emphasize the agency of the local and of individual subjects and colonial communities to interpolate the discourses of imperial power. The language of postcolonialism provided a way of talking about the engagement of the global by the local, particularly local cultures, and most importantly, provided a greatly nuanced view of globalization that developed from its understanding of the complexities of imperial relationships. This language needed to be adopted because by the 1990s, globalization could no longer be explained in terms of traditional social science models.